What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today is the end of the month, and I'm just giving you an update on the workouts. This month, for the shorts, I've been doing the 10 chair workouts. The 10 chair workouts are for people who can't stand up and can't be on their feet for a long period of time and still want to do some kind of workout. But you got to make sure you have to do it at your own pace, your own moderation, and you have to modify it based on what you can do it yourself. Like I'm doing the same thing for myself. Even though I'm doing 10 rounds of 1 minute, it's 10 rounds, 1 minute per round, but you could do up to 3 to 5 sets per day. But since I'm just wanted to show it off, I'm only doing 1 round. Well, I'm only doing 1 set. But other than that, if you want to get more of the benefit, it will work out, but you have to be consistent with it. So with that being said, just do it at your own pace, own moderation, and I know you can do it. Just remember, just keep grinding it out. You're not gonna see results at the very beginning. You're not. But you keep at it, you will be able to see the results. So till next time, I'm gonna say, whatever you do, just at your own pace, your own moderation. Make sure you stretch. Make sure you drink water. Light comes to strides the channel. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh wee. Holla.